Speed Strap is the product. And Snow White Technologies is the brand. So the way it works is drop your foot right in here with one hand, lift up the binding, drop it in, click, 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 slam it down, click, click. We're off to the races. What's up, tribe? How we all doing today? Sean Tudor here, gonna run you guys through the Speed Strap by Snow White Technologies. The Speed Strap is a strap kit. It's all these white parts here. We have the end caps here, and what they do is they stop the straps from opening. So you never have to find the plane, you never have to connect your straps. They always stay connected for you. There's also one for the toe right here, right? Stock is long enough as is. But for the ankle, we had to come out with the XL ladder right here so that you could always have access to the footbed. So the way it works is drop your foot right in here with one hand, lift up the binding, drop it in, click, 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 slam it down, click, click. We're off to the races. So it's super simple. What you probably didn't see there is the magnet. There's a magnet that catches the tip, keeps it out of the way for you. And you can step in, you never have to worry about ice buildup, you never have to worry about snow. It works in all conditions. It's a ladder strap system that we all know and love. And that's the Speed Strap by Snow White Technologies. So thank you.